and penguin crunch, and then as many burpees as I can fit. Don't forget to record your score. Leave a comment below how many burpees you finished with. Welcome back, everyone, to the 8th 15-minute afterburner workout. Today I'm calling it the buy-in for burpees. We have a massive circuit today. It's going to be the buy-in. You need to get through that as fast as you can. In the remaining time, you start doing max amount of burpees, and your score today is how many burpees you can finish inside the 15 minutes after you've got that buy-in circuit done. You may not even complete it. Then your goal would be to get to the burpees. Otherwise, you're doing those full burpees at the end. You know what those are because we did full 10 minutes of burpees in my first 10-minute workout. So we're good there. Equipment today, 2 dumbbells, a kettlebell, ab mat would be nice if you could roll up a towel, and a regular mat. You're at home or in your garage or basement doing this workout, not at a gym. You're saving all that gym membership money. Treat yourself to the equipment. Let's call this my rant for today. Get a kettlebell. Have at least 2 dumbbells. Get a mat and an ab mat. It's $19 or whatever it's going to be. Links below to all the equipment, or go to your local fitness equipment store. That's enough of my rant. All the moves you've seen before. Let's take a look and see what we're up against here. 50 reverse lunges is going to be 25 per side. 75 dumbbell bent over row. 75 ab mat sit-up can just be regular sit-ups. If you don't have the ab mat, that's fine. 75 penguin crunches, holding the hollow and then motioning like we've done our suitcase crunch. 100 air squats easy, and then 100 swings. You can swing 1 dumbbell if you have to, but it should be a heavier kettlebell. So that's all great. As fast as you can get through that, you're allowed breaking it up any way you want to, and then it's max burpees in the remaining time. That's gonna suck. So you're warmed up, you're prepped, we're ready to go. You know what movements we're doing. Let's get after it. We'll switch the camera, start that 10-second lead in, and crush this. Okay, we're about ready to go. The list is on the side, ready to rip. I'm looking at this. I'm gonna do my reverse lunges and bent over rows together, and then I'm gonna do the ab mat sit-ups with my air squats, and I'm gonna do penguin crunches with the swings, just so I can break up the reps. So I don't have to do one move all in a row. We'll start the clock, and it's go time. So 25 lunges per leg. Knee has to touch ground. Another awesome usage for the ab mat is your knee can bounce off that ab mat and protect your knee from the ground, but you gotta go all the way down. I'm done talking. Let's get into this one. 10-second countdown. I got my 30-pound dumbbells over here, and I'll start with some reverse lunges first. Maybe I'll do 10 per side. Side profile, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you don't want a red line, but we want to go pretty quick. Full height, lock the legs out. 10. So that's 20 of my 50 reverse lunges finished. Let's go for bent over rows now. We got 75 of those to get through. 4, you can go even stance, you can go split stance, whatever's comfortable. If you only have 1 dumbbell, shame on you, but you'll have to go single arm. Straight laser, straight back. It's 25 bent over row. I'll show you the reverse lunge to ab mat here. Come on, get back there. Dropping down, knee touch, boom. That lets you bounce them a little bit more. 5, 5, 6. Just keep track of your own reps. 8, 9, 10, and 10. So that's 20 per leg total. I'm gonna do another 25 bent over row. Remember, I'm me, you're you. Go at your own pace, do your own weight, but make it challenging. Whew. The insurance of this workout is if you make it too easy at the beginning, you're into burpees way earlier, and that's gonna suck. So I give you zero escape You're not smarter than me when designing these workouts. The trap is at the end. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. No body movement, no swaying, no jerking up and down. These are just getting heavy now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're 3 minutes down. Gotta move. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 25 more bent over row. 15. Flush that out. Oh, done with those. Okay, ab mat sit-ups and air squats. Gonna go 33 air squats and 25 sit-ups at a time, 3 sets. Full depth, up. Arms counterbalance. 8, 9. 20, 13 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13, good. Ab mat to the side. Mic not in the way. Pull this right to your low tailbone. Shoe soles together. Knuckles have to touch floor. Throw. Touch past the toe. Stay tight. 10. You can go spread eagle and reach past the heel if you want to. 18, 19. We're getting down there. 25, back up, 33 more air squats for me. Quads are growing. 60. Find a gear, find a rhythm. 3. There it was. Okay, 25 more ab mat sit-ups. Give the quads a break. This could be regular sit-up, a crunch, put a towel under your back. Sound the alarm halfway. Cinch that ab mat in tight. Five more. That's it. Now I got to go 34 squats. Here we go. To total 100. 4 squats should be 1 per second. Three. 34. Final 25 ab mat sit up here. And then it swings and penguin crunch, and then as many burpees as I can fit. Don't forget to record your score. Leave a comment below how many burpees you finished with. Good place to find your score later because your comment's always at the top. Slowing down on these. Touch, touch, rubber and rubber. All 4:45 to go. Ooh, 24, 25, done those. Okay, ab mat's done. Kettlebell coming out. Where are we at? Same boat. 33s and 25s to split it up even. Don't forget your hip hinge. Kettlebell's the hip hinge family. Strong walk. Swinging to 24 kilo here. Yeah, 33, land in front. You don't really need a mat for these because you're in the hollow on your butt. So we're up, feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can't be on the ground for these. Have to be lifted. 25. Each half crunch counts as a rep. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Puts me back, it swings. Ooh. Take some breath. Another 33. Load the lats. Draw in. Oh no, it's gonna be very close. Not good. I'm gonna get none here. Horrible programming. Afterburners. Three, 34. Oh. 12, 13, 67, 23, 24, 25. Full down, full up. One. I got one. Awful, but brutal. Good for me. Bigger dude, tall guy, lots of reps, take a long time. Ooh, that's the end. Over so soon. Maybe if I wasn't talking so much, might have got a few more there. Oh, I thought I was doing good pacing. Should have turned and burned a little quicker. So that's a fun scheme. Get through something fast as you can with that mentality I'm on the clock to get into something that counts at the end. So leave your comments below. See if anyone actually got into the burpees. If you didn't hit burpees and you just finished, your score is 0. If you didn't finish, you're a minus number for how many reps you had left. Comment below with your score. When you come back to this video ever, you'll see your comment at the top and you can try it again. That's it for now. Get your dang equipment, buy it from links below, go to your local stores, share this around, let's go. Spread the fitness love. See you back for 9, and then 10, and then 10 more 20-minute workouts. See you back soon.